Kittl is slowly becoming one of my favourite design tools. They're easy to use, very user-friendly, and they're constantly updating, improving, and adding new features. Now, a few of the features that they have are just here with Kittl AI, Kittl Print, Text to Vector, Text to Image, and many more. Now, they also have a bunch of AI tools. Now, I haven't created any videos about these yet, but I do plan on doing that over the next couple of weeks, because some of these tools are pretty amazing. They have AI product backgrounds, AI image generator, vector generator, background remover, image vectorizer, AI art feed, the quote generator, which is pretty fun to play around with, and they're going to be adding a brand new AI tool very soon called Kittl AI-X1, which I have to admit looks pretty amazing. Now, if you don't have a Kittl account as of yet, I highly suggest going through and signing up, even just for a free one, because you can sign up for early access to the Kittl AI-X1. Now, if you do want to sign up, there will be a link down in the description below. So, let's have a little look at this, have a little read, so we can see what this is about. So the first, generative AI for graphic design. Experience the future of graphic design with the first generative AI that transforms your ideas into editable, vector-based designs. You can boost your creative process with an intuitive Design Copilot, providing personalized support every step of the way. Now again, I highly suggest just coming through, signing up, putting your email in so you can get early access. Now, if we take a look just here, we can see what this is going to be like. And it looks pretty good. Just look at this so far. So we can type in exactly what we want, then it's going to create it. You can then also play around with the color palette, the fonts, and everything about that design. Now, if we scroll down to here, it's going to be a new way to design with the design generator. They're also going to have the Design Copilot, which is a faster workflow for all design levels, and also, look at this, a logo generator, which is going to be powered by the Kittl AI-X1. So again, this just looks really great. Now, if we scroll down to here, we can see what it is, and it says Kittl AI-X1 is an AI model. Trained to create professional designs, it combines machine learning, design principles, and extensive image databases to generate customized graphics based on users' preferences. Is it easy to use? Even if I'm not a designer? Absolutely. Kittl AI-X1, I'm not too sure on that name, I wish they would have called it something else, but Kittl AI-X1 is designed for both professionals and beginners to create stunning designs without any prior experience. How customizable are the designs? The designs are highly customizable. You can easily tweak elements like colors, typography, layout, and more to fit your specific requirements. Can I use Kittl AI-X1 for commercial projects? Yes, designs generated by X1 can be used for both personal and commercial purposes. However, always ensure you have the necessary rights for any third-party content or elements you may incorporate. When will X1 launch? So Kittl AI-X1 is currently in exploration and will launch during the next few months. You can join the waitlist to get early access when the beta launches. So that's what I've already done. If we come over to here, I am on the list. I'm number 8,589, as we can see just here. So come through, check it out. I am going to leave my referral link, which is here, down in the description as well. Feel free to use it or not, that's entirely up to you. And if you want to try out Kittl as well, there is going to be a link for that. Disclaimer, it is an affiliate link, so if you do decide to purchase, I will make a small commission. Now, if you're not too sure what to watch next, then click right here and watch this playlist.